ang aga ng schedule namin, 7 to 9. So, I have to go early. It's around, what time is it na? 5:35 in the morning. And as you can see, medyo maaga na. Usually, pag 5:30 pa, parang medyo dim pa. Pero, siguro sa init na rin, 5:30 pa lang may araw na. But anyways, ayun din yung sole purpose ng school. Bakit inagahan nila, like 7 to 9 lang yung exams namin, para we wouldn't go to school na mainit. And hindi rin kami aalas ng mainit. So, the downside lang is you have to be early or you have to wake up early, lalo na sa akin na mga malalayo pa. So, 1 hour early, kaya we have to go now. Anyways, I just took a bath. Hindi na ako nakapag-breakfast kasi sobrang aga talaga. Hindi ako morning person, guys. Hirap talaga for me na gumising ng maaga. Gabi pagod pa. Tapos nag-review ako. So, kaya, last naman na. Pero hopefully mamaya, mas maging okay yung pakiramdam ko kasi may chance naman na matulog. So I think I'll sleep first and then tsaka ka mag-review. Kasi kagabi, whole day pa kami ng Monday. Tapos Tuesday, exams agad. So, onti lang yung time to review. Kaya wala talagang rest. Agad-agad nag-review. So, ayun. Then, ANAFI pa. So, medyo mahirap. So, ayun. I will take you guys with me to my last exams week. Yay! For this grade. Not gonna lie, gonna miss the Scantron sheets and kung paano mag-exam sa UST kasi it's really different. I mean, of course it's different from the junior high school that I've been to kasi usually, diba, exams are like test papers and something. Then, when I came to the university, dun lang nagkaroon ng Scantron sheets. But I guess it's for every university naman. So, I don't know if you guys would see something naman from this. Kasi, hindi naman kami allowed mag-video during exam. Pero siguro after it, pwede we can eat or something. So, let's see na lang. And if you guys are wondering, yung schedule ko pala is ANAFI and FF for today. So, I'll say goodbye to ANAFI early. And then, last activity na lang, which is yung blood typing na online naman. So, after that, ANAFI is done. And also FF. Pero FF is light lang naman since faith subject. Pero ANAFI is the major, that the first thing that we will say goodbye to. So, hehe.
Electrostatics, actually because of the we are running out of time, especially sa fourth quarter due to the different events and holidays na natamaan yung fourth quarter. So we actually
Day 2 done! Oh my gosh. Medyo madali lang yung exam. So happy. And ayun, though parang na-stuck lang ako sa few questions sa physics, but all in all is good. So I'm home. Grabe, it's just an hour or two, pero pagod na agad ako. But, ayun, nagpa-uwi rin ako ng maaga kasi I have to work on some things. Like, need ko magpa-print and all for Friday. So, ayun, yun muna yung aasikasuhin ko before I rest para tuloy-tuloy na yung tulog ko. Kasi tomorrow, async lang kami since may UST Dangal Award. So, mag-resume yung exam namin. And last day for Friday. So, ayun.
Sila ng in-order. Nakita niya yung sino.
Sige. Hey guys, so exams are done and now we're gonna eat. We're gonna wait for 12 p.m. kasi 12 p.m. pa yung lab namin, last lab that we have to finish para matapos na ang lahat. But anyways, how was the exam? The exam was really hard. Hindi ko alam if okay ba yung mga nasagot ko, pero bahala na. Anyways, I'm craving for something like bread or something, kaya gusto ko ng savory. Anyways, we are currently walking. Basta sabay na lang kami tumambay so that malamig.
Waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room in my bed. Crazy, crazy. I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be. 'Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay. Stress is building up inside my heart. The clock is ticking, the time is up. The way I'm feeling, I think it's done. Waiting around for you to call back.
Combination ng dalawang liquid, hindi na nakita na hiwalay na siya. Buksan niyo po yung valve, huwag po itatapat sa mukha ng groupmate kasi po lalabas po yung pressure doon, yung hangin. No? So, malakas po yun, wala po mabubulat, dahan-dahan lang po, baka mabitawan ulit yung separatory funnel. Panglimang separatory funnel na nababasag dahil nabubulat. Hindi po natin kailangan yun. Remain calm, okay? Kalma lang, and then sarado na po ulit. Hanggang naubos yung hangin, kasi pag may pressure pa sa loob, pag tinayo nyo ulit, nilipad yung takip.
just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay.
Wala palang date. Ano ba yun? Ay, kuko mo. Sorry. Ano gagawin natin sa worksheet? Secret. Okay.
Hindi ko. Wait, kailangan na. Sige.
O, daan-daan na yan, ha?
Ano gagawin?
Mamaya pa.